2 cloves per day. See what will happen to you. Would you believe that eating just 2 little cloves a day can relieve digestive issues, strengthen your immune system, and even help you fight off cancer? Whoa! And there's a lot more where that came from, so just keep on watching. But before you learn all about this spice's amazing properties and how you can incorporate cloves into your diet for better health, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on the bright side. First of all, what are cloves anyway? Well, they're a fragrant, dried pink flower bud that comes from an evergreen tree native to Indonesia. Cloves are actually one of the most loved and used spices in the world. In addition to the sweet flavor they give to the dishes they're added to, cloves are very well known for their medicinal properties, and that's because they're rich in a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. All those yummy components do so much for your body. Here are just some of the amazing health benefits that eating 2 cloves a day will bring to your well-being. 1. They strengthen the immune system. By increasing the number of white blood cells in the body, which help us fight off infections, cloves are one of the best things we can take for immune support. And that's all thanks to the immune-boosting vitamin C contained in this spice. 2. They help treat digestive issues. Cloves can be used as a remedy for digestive problems since they increase the secretion of digestive enzymes. A study done by the Department of Pharmacology in the College of Medicine at the University of Lagos proved that clove extract helped treat stomach ulcers and even had similar effects to a variety of anti-ulcer medications. They also reduce gas and nausea. Not to mention, cloves are packed full of fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps prevent constipation. The best way to treat digestive issues with cloves is to consume either powdered or roasted cloves with honey. 3. They can alleviate toothaches. Another magical thing about cloves is that they have local anesthetic properties. If you have a toothache or a cavity that's bothering you, you can keep a clove on the bothersome tooth to eliminate the pain until you get yourself to the dentist. 4. They contribute to a healthy liver. The liver is what detoxifies our bodies from chemicals and metabolizes the medicines we take. A study done by the Department of Food Sciences and Nutrition in Cairo, Egypt, found that the eugenol contained in clove oil improved liver function. 5. They help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. That same Cairo study proved that eugenol gives cloves their pain-killing and anti-inflammatory properties. One way you can take advantage of this is to use cloves as a headache remedy. You can do this in one of 2 ways: ingest it or use it topically. If you prefer to consume it, you can mix clove powder and rock salt into a glass of milk and drink it to get relief from headache pain. Or if you want to go the topical route, you can soak cloves in coconut oil and massage your temples with it to relieve the pain. 6. They're good for your bones and joints. Cloves have certain elements like flavonoids, manganese, and eugenol that promote bone and joint health. These substances increase bone density, are involved in bone creation, and promote healthy minerals in our bones. As an added bonus, that manganese is also great for brain health. 7. They're antibacterial. A study done at the University of Buenos Aires put cloves to the test against some pretty serious bacteria, like E. coli and staph. The research showed that clove oil was effective at killing off these bacteria. There's even a recipe for an herbal mouthwash made with tea tree oil, cloves, and basil. According to the Department of Periodontics at KLE University in Belgium, this natural mouthwash can improve gum health and reduce the number of bacteria and plaque in the mouth after using it for just 21 days. 8. They can be used as a cancer preventative. Scientists from the Capital Medical University in Beijing, the University of Pittsburgh, the Roswell Park Cancer Institute, and the University of Minnesota collectively found that clove extract helped stop growing tumors and even caused cell death in several versions of human cancer cells. They included lung, breast, and ovarian cancer, as well as other types of cancers in their early stages. That amazing eugenol in cloves has also been found to have anti-cancer properties. But be careful, eugenol can be toxic in large amounts. Always consult with your doctor first before taking any new herbs or home remedies. 9. They're full of antioxidants. Cloves are the most potent and #1 richest dietary source of polyphenols. Polyphenols are basically chemicals we absorb from eating plants that do really great things for our bodies, like lower cholesterol and blood pressure, improve artery function and flexibility, and increase longevity. The importance of antioxidants for the human body can't be emphasized enough. They provide a sort of stability and a level of defense against any free radicals in our system that could cause chronic disease and inflammation, like cancer, heart disease, and arthritis. Part of the job of antioxidants is to neutralize these free radicals so that they can't do damage to our body. 10. They can help regulate blood sugar. Clove is great for people with blood sugar issues like diabetes because it acts like insulin inside the body. It actually helps export excess sugar from the blood into the cells of the body, bringing balance back to sugar levels. In a 2006 study in which diabetes patients ate a prescribed amount of cloves daily for 30 days, researchers concluded that a low-dose consumption of cloves decreases diabetes risk factors. In another study done by the International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences at the University of Karachi in Pakistan, researchers found that not only did cloves increase insulin production, but they also improved the functioning of the cells that produce the insulin itself. 11. They help with blood clotting. Cloves contain vitamin K, which is essential for promoting healthy blood clotting. This is especially beneficial for those who have issues with excessive bleeding due to a vitamin K deficiency. Just be warned that vitamin K can react badly with medications that are supposed to decrease blood clotting. Again, talking to your doctor first is a must before you start incorporating more vitamin K in your diet. How to eat cloves. Dr. Andrew Weil, a guru of both holistic health and integrative medicine, explains that cloves and clove oil have been used in Asian cooking for over 2,000 years, and today they can be bought either whole or ground, with the whole ones keeping their flavor a bit longer. Dr. Weil points out that their flavor is very versatile. It's not just limited to flavoring sweet desserts, but can be appreciated in savory ones as well. They have a warm flavor that's sometimes described as sweet and spicy. Around the world, they're used to flavor meats and stews, to make rich sauces like Mexican mole, to pickle vegetables, and in cheeses, breads, and warm beverages like tea. So your options are limitless. Have you ever tried cloves in your everyday life, whether as a tasty spice or a natural remedy? Let us know how that worked out in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.